Right, welcome to the grade 3 and 4 maths concept revision video, and I'm just going to be sharing or revising some strategies to help with addition and subtraction, and then also we're going to revise fractions and some division. I'm going to start with some addition strategies. You'll encounter this on page 4 of the Bluebird maths book, the grade 3s. You'll find it there. But I think it's a really helpful one to share with the grade 4s as well, or to remind the grade 4s of. So over here, this strategy, the first one that I'm going to look at is place value or decomposition. That's because you take the numbers apart in order to add them up properly. So the first one we're going to look at is 12 plus 17, a nice simple one. So using this strategy, what you'll do is you'll write out your 12 and your 17, and then you will decompose each individual number. In other words, you'll break it apart into tens or hundreds, tens, and units. So this one doesn't have hundreds, so we just write our tens there. 12 is made up of a 10, and the unit or the 1 is a 2. And then in our next figure, we break it up into a 10 plus a 7. That's our 10, that's our unit. In the Bluebird maths book, it doesn't talk about units, it talks about ones. But so we're going to look at that now. So first you decompose it. You write each number out like that, the tens and the ones, the tens and the ones. Then you add your ones together. So you put your 2 and your 7, and you add them, that's easy, that's a 9. Then underneath your ones, you write your tens. The T stands for tens. And you've got a 10 there and a 10 there. So you put your 10 and your 10. 10 plus 10 equals 20. There's no hundreds over here. So you just skip to that bottom line where you take your 20 and your 9. You add them up and it equals 29. On a slightly more difficult sum, we've got 34 plus 125. So there you write it out like that, 34 plus 125. First you decompose each number. 34 decomposes to 30 plus 4. That D there stands for decompose. And then the 125 decomposes into 120 plus 5. So then, once you've decomposed that, you write your ones or your units. You've got a 4 plus a 5 equals 9. Then your tens, you have a 30 and you have a 20, that equals 50. Your hundreds, you've got 100 over there, you write your 100. And then you, at the bottom line, you add them all up. 100 plus 50 plus 9 gives you 159. So this is a good strategy to use, and I'm going to share the next strategy with you now.